It's a pretty detrimental feeling when you drop off something that's worth $1 million and all of a sudden it's been nothing short of a disappointment and a failure.
We just changed a sprayer over from a 616 to another new 616 and had it here about 50 hours from new and started spraying like we normally do. I've actually got a phone call from my nephew who was driving it saying it threw a stop code and come to a pretty hard stop. So we were under the pump.
We worked with DTAC to move forward and find out what to test or where it could go wrong. Went out there and tested a few things. It was very much a mystery.
It wasn't like we were waiting on parts. Unfortunately, in this circumstance, didn't know what the problem was.
We got to the point where we couldn't use the sprayer.
You know, first things first, you talk to Complete Goods, you find a sprayer, we've got to get something back into paddock. Transport division comes into play. The demo sprayer that we got out for Birkenshaw's came all the way from Weewaw.
With help with Complete Goods and the sales team, we got a sprayer out and just made sure he wasn't down a sprayer over this important time.
Main thing is we've got to get wheels turning within 24 hours and every department makes that happen.
The Wagga branch just handled it unbelievable, like best I've ever seen and heard of. I could ring Gav. Gav didn't have to answer my call, like he'd answer the phone and he'd sort it. We had 2 demo sprays in the end over the time and we were putting 150 or 200 hours on these demo machines. We never ever were pulled up. And to give you an example, we've got a Gold Acres tug along and we never ever had to hook that on and use it because we just got looked after that well. We'll never ever let down for 1 minute, which was just mind-blowing.
Our job's to put wheels in paddocks and keep wheels turning, and Mark's wheels weren't turning that day. We just got to jump to, and all the departments pull together pretty well. That's our priority, and that's our job. When these machines do have failures, that's machinery, made by man, broken by man, so it's our job to keep them fixed.
Obviously, it's not something we've done that caused the fault, but we had to get it fixed for him.
It's from the sales part right through to the service. It's the one-stop shop that we get looked after and we can just call on. The bottom line at times is taking opportunities and getting the job done. To do that, you need the gear to be 100% reliable and you need good service and you need good backup, which is what we get from Hutchin and Pearce.